Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? So quick updates. For Solana, we've gotten back inside this range, the monthly range. It closed with an SFP last month, and then we got back inside. So now, if you're looking at it, this range from Feb till May end, it was the consolidation range before we had a breakdown in June. And we were outside it pretty much. And now, if we bring it to the daily, it's closed back in, and we've started consolidating. We started ripping up high here. So I think the trade it's obviously going to go right into the level right there to the range high. I mean, this is the range and then range deviation outside the range, and now it's entered back. So obviously you don't want a long right here. You don't want a long right here, right? This was the range deviation. But yeah, so ideally what you want to do is now you want to wait for this to what you want to do is you want to wait for this to, take one of these liquidities and then, slowly grind back in, come into this level. This low is your stop. This right here is your stop, and you want to, when there's a shift in market structure, like this, let's shift, and then you want to longer right into this. That's going to be your trade. Long here from 76 to all the way to 96. You're gonna, and that's gonna be a solid 25% move. This is the trade. I mean, it's done this, so we missed out this pretty part of the move. But yeah, we can get back now. So when it comes back into the 76s areas, you want to get long on a pullback and right into the 96s. For BTC, again, it's done the same thing. A lot of these trades now. It's come back inside this level. It's inside this range. So if you look at it, then yeah, this range, this low here. So you expect it to come back into the range high. So 65K is what you're going to be expecting right now on the higher time frames. Until this level is broken, there's not a market structure shift. Well, if you put out a clean Bitcoin chart, yeah, whack it. All right, then this is the range low, right there. This is the range low. So it's gone back inside it today, and it's trading above it. So yeah, you want to see some sort of break in market structure right here. This. So break it, and then it comes back in here, and then this is your long, the thrust candle stop. The stop goes right below this on the thrust candle, the candle that thrust back inside the range. And then you want to trade in these highs right there, and then put possibly into this high. This is again, all of this is just temporary. I think it's on the weekly. I mean, it does look pretty weak, right? You can't really. So unless we do have a break in 84K, it's still bearish on the weekly. So unless we see a break on this, and then this, this, it's broken, and unless we see a break in this, the market structure shifts, and then we obviously look to get long on the pullback of this region or the next area on the daily. But till then, you're looking at pullbacks only, and 82K is probably the highest we can see it. Yeah, but otherwise, anywhere between here, we can expect it to stop, somewhere here. So this is probably a good resistance level we can see in the markets. And this is going to be another key resistance level in the market from the longs. This small tiny part was holding up this minor resistance level on the smaller time frame was holding up, and so we've gone above it. So I do think we're going to see some upside range expansion. So yeah, trade is pretty much this into this one and this one, these areas. And yeah, that's the quick update. All the best, guys.